Hey guys, welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Gonna start my grocery haul right here. Today we went to Walmart and to Sam's Club. Did a big Sam's Club haul, starting with some 12 pounds of flour, 10 pounds of sugar. I got some salt, some cinnamon, some Salad Supreme, saltine crackers. I hope you guys, I cannot hear my kitty in there. She's upset that she's locked in the other room, but she tries to knock the light down and she's a little bit of a hot mess. So back to grocery haul. Cocoa Pebbles, almonds, and I had heard from Kat at Southern Farm and Kitchen and some other YouTubers that tomatoes were going to be hard to get a hold of soon. So I bought 5 cans of the Italian style petite diced tomatoes, 3 cans of the chili ready tomatoes, 3 cans of just diced tomatoes, 1 can of petite diced, 2 cans of fire roasted tomatoes, and 2 cans of the mild Great Value brand like Rotel of diced tomatoes with green chilies. I have like 5 or 6 jars of tomato sauce, so I didn't worry about getting any of those. Moving on to produce, Sam's, we got strawberries, raspberries, grapes. I needed stick butter, and I got these 2-pack of the Land O'Lakes spreadable butter, onions, peaches, Colby Monterey Jack cheese sticks, 12 large eggs, bananas, ambrosia apples. I went ahead and bought 1 more bag of apples because soon around here all the apple orchards should be going. 2 rolls of the jumbo biscuits, and then 2 of the smaller cans of the Grand's biscuits, a large container of cottage cheese, 2% milk, Uncrustables, and the best deal at Sam's Club, in my opinion, is their rotisserie chickens. So I got 2 of those for $4.98 each. 2 cases of 40-count water, a total of 6 Arm & Hammer fridge and freezer deodorizers. Abe needed some dental bones, paper bowls, Unstoppables. We got a new cooler. Abe needed pill pockets for his allergy medicine and acetaminophen. Hey guys, just don't pay attention to me. I'm a sweaty, hot mess. It's really humid outside today, and we have been carrying in groceries, putting things away, all that kinds of good stuff. So it is hot, and my hair probably is, that's my husband. I don't know what he's doing back there, but we're ready to wave.
Hi.
What I wanted to do is I wanted to show you this sign. So our anniversary was not too long ago. It was in the beginning of August. And I wanted to thank Ray contacted someone at his work about making me this sign. And hopefully the glare is not too bad and you can see it. But it says on it Melinda's Messy Sink and has my logo. So I wanted to give a quick shout out to Mr. and Mrs. Bonham for making me this sign for my anniversary. I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to find some place to hang it in my kitchen. Next up, I want to go over our meal plan. All right, guys, we are moving to a Monday through Friday meal plan. My husband couldn't hang with the monthly meal plan. He said that's too structured. So we're gonna do, on Monday, we're gonna do chicken potato casserole. On Tuesday, we're gonna do amped up baked beans. On Wednesday, we're doing Swiss pork chops. On Thursday, we're gonna do chicken pot pie casserole. And on Friday, we're gonna do Salisbury steak meatballs. On Saturday, we'll probably eat out, and Sunday, I will probably cook something, but I guess I'm not allowed to plan that. All right, guys, this is Allie Cat. We found her in our barn, and she weighed 1.9 pounds whenever we found her, and we've been taking care of her. We went to our local Humane Society to drop her off, and they only did trap, neuter, and release. And I was like, somebody that weighs 1.9 pounds is gonna be somebody's lunch out here in the middle of the country. So we decided to move her in. Since my father-in-law's dog passed away, Abe had been struggling being by himself whenever we were gone. He ate my plants. He was just doing stuff that he normally didn't do. So we decided, let's give a kitty cat in the house a try. So it's been interesting because I'm not a cat person, but I just wanted to introduce you to Allie Catcraft, Abe's little sister. Abraham, can you say hello? They've been asking about you. That's gonna do it for today's video. I appreciate you all so much for following along. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.